Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. These pains you feel are messengers. Listen to them. Why do you stay in prison, when the door is so wide open? Dance, when you're broken open. Dance, if you've torn the bandage off. Dance in the middle of the fighting. Dance in your blood. Dance when you're perfectly free. Beauty surrounds us, but usually we need to be walking in a garden to know it. When you do things from your soul, you feel a river moving in you, a joy. There is a candle in your heart, ready to be kindled. There is a void in your soul, ready to be filled. You feel it, don't you? Silence is an ocean. Speech is a river. When the ocean is searching for you, don't walk into the river. Listen to the ocean. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with heart and soul there is no such thing as separation. Gamble everything for love, if you're a true human being. If not, leave this gathering. Sell your cleverness and buy bewilderment. Cleverness is mere opinion. Bewilderment brings intuitive knowledge. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. A house of love with no limits, a presence more beautiful than Venus or the moon, a beauty whose image fills the mirror of the heart. It's your road, and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. Whenever we manage to love without expectations, calculations, negotiations, we are indeed in heaven. Start a huge, foolish project, like Noah. It makes absolutely no difference what people think of you. Love is an open secret, the most obvious thing in the world and the most hidden, with no why to how it keeps its mystery. What hurts you, blesses you. Darkness is your candle. A mountain keeps an echo deep inside. That's how I hold your voice. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Be a lamp, or a lifeboat, or a ladder. Help someone's soul heal. Walk out of your house like a shepherd. The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. Achieve some perfection yourself, so that you may not fall into sorrow by seeing the perfection in others. The heart has its own language. The heart knows 100,000 ways to speak. If in thirst you drink water from a cup, you see God in it. Those who are not in love with God will see only their own faces in it. Patience with small details makes perfect a large work, like the universe. When your love contracts in anger, the atmosphere itself feels threatening. But when you're expansive, no matter what the weather, You're in an open, windy field with friends. Listen with ears of tolerance. See through the eyes of compassion. Speak with the language of love. Anyone who genuinely and consistently with both hands looks for something will find it. If you want to win hearts, sow the seeds of love. If you want heaven, stop scattering thorns on the road. Patience is not sitting and waiting, it is foreseeing. It is looking at the thorn and seeing the rose, looking at the night and seeing the day. Lovers are patient and know that the moon needs time to become full. Love sometimes wants to do us a great favor, hold us upside down and shake all the nonsense out. Now is the time to unite the soul and the world. Now is the time to see the sunlight dancing as one with the shadows. Anything which is more than our necessity is poison. It may be power, wealth, hunger, ego, greed, laziness, love, ambition, hate or anything. Pull the thorn of existence out of the heart. Fast. For when you do, you will see thousands of rose gardens in yourself. Everyone has been made for some particular work, and the desire for that work has been put in every heart. Keep walking, though there's no place to get to. Don't try to see through the distances. That's not for human beings. Move within, but don't move the way fear makes you move.